Today, I will go through my process to plan my code. Actually, I adopted this method from ChatGPT. Let's start. By the way, I'm just a beginner trying to break into tech, so for any advice or additional information, please share it with us in the comment. Let's begin. Define the project. Determine what you want to achieve with your project and write down a clear and concise description of it. For my landing page, I wrote, develop a landing page that helps users to book a service for branding and building their web app. Then write a simple description. Use the user words, what he said he wants us to do. Example, I want a landing page with our company, name HTM, that helps our users to book our services from developing a simple single static page of plain text to complex web applications, electronic businesses, and social network services. Break down the project into smaller tasks. Once you have a clear picture of your project, designing the layout, creating the header, footer, and navigation bar, building the home page, creating the contact form. Prioritize the tasks. Determine which tasks are the most important and need to be done first. Prioritize tasks that can be done concurrently, such as designing the UI and building the home page, and take the client approval before starting the project. Break down the project into smaller milestones and assign deadlines to each milestone. For example, assign 1 week to design the layout, 2 weeks to build the homepage, and 1 week to test the website. Write out the logic of your code in plain English before writing actual code. This will help you identify potential problems and ensure that your code is clear and easy to understand. Last step, review your plan and ensure that it is realistic and achievable. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay up to date on all of my latest web development videos. See you next time.